Welcome to solverfy.
So we need to siphon water in order to clear a clogged sink. So we need to apply Bernoulli's equation immediately. The pressure at the top will plus 1/2 times the density times the velocity at the top squared plus 1/2 times the density times g. Y at the top will be equal to P at the bottom. We'll just say BOT for bottom plus 1/2 times the density times the velocity of the bottom squared plus the density times g times y at the bottom. So we can say that the velocity at the bottom would be equal to 2g times y at the top minus y at the bottom to the 1/2 power. And we can solve, so the velocity at the bottom would be equal to 2 times 9.8 times 0.44 meters. And this will be to the 1/2 power. This is giving us 2.94 meters per second. So this would be the answer for part A. And then for part B, they want us to find out the time, so how long it takes to empty out this clogged sink. So the volumetric flow rate of the lower section times T would be equal to the volume of the sink. Therefore, the time it takes would be equal to the volume of the sink divided by the cross-sectional area of the lower section times the velocity of the lower section. And so we can say that this is going to be equal to the volume of the sink, so 0.38 meters times 0.04 meters divided by pi times 0.01 meters quantity squared times 2.397 meters per second. And we find that delta T is going to be equal to 16.47 seconds. So that's how long it takes to empty out the sink. This will be our final answer for part B. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.